Hey friends, how's it going? I hope y'all are doing awesome. Y'all, is it Monday or Tuesday? Oh my gosh. I was going to be all proud of myself for knowing what day it is. As you hop on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. And did y'all see Jenny's project earlier? It's so stinking cute. I wanted to try something new for me tonight. I don't know if you've tried this before. I've got some heat press sublimation tags, and we're going to try doing one tonight. I've never done one before. Let me know in the comments if you have. I'm going to let our broadcast channel know that we're live. And y'all, I don't know why, I completely forgot about this, but today Barry was running an errand to Walmart. I think it's like its second or third one today. I shouldn't say anything. I appreciate that he goes. But anyway, before he left, he was like, what are we going to have to eat on New Year's Day? Because we always have black-eyed peas, pork, and some kind of greens, like collard greens or something like that. Do y'all do those same traditional foods? Hey, Brenda. Thank you. Brenda says she loves my color combo. Y'all, I'm dressed head to toe in Walmart. I don't think these are Walmart, but anyway. Hey, Pamela. Hey, Pamela, Pam, Yvonne, Irene. I hope y'all are doing awesome. Okay. Anyway, y'all, I've already heated up my heat press. And anyway. Oh, y'all are so sweet. Thank you. And I got to thinking, you know, Barry and I are going on that cruise in March. And I was like, who needs a new tote bag? I do. And then I was like, who needs a tag to put on there? I do. Y'all, I'm crazy. But anyway, we have got, as y'all may know, you may not know, we've got new heat transfers. So I'm going to try one. Oh, y'all are talking about your food. You have whatever you cook for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Every New Year's, you have 3 things and homemade mac and cheese. Hey, Kim. From British Columbia, Canada. Anyway, y'all, the heat transfers, there's 2 to a sheet. And I was thinking I'm going to put like the whole sheet on a bag, but I'm going to put these flowers on my heat transfer luggage tag. This bunch right here. Have y'all done this before? Charlene, you love them. Awesome. And I'm trying, maybe I'll just put what's left of this on here. Y'all have pork and sauerkraut? Okay. I don't have sauerkraut. And y'all, I've got some heat transfer tape. And look, I probably cut it in the wrong place. Whoops. Oh, maybe I can use that. Y'all know I don't like to waste. Hey, hey, hey. So, whenever you're doing these projects, you don't want your project, your transfer to move around, so you want to tape it. And I'm going to tape this one. I'm going to try to center it. But I was thinking, how cute would this be on a tote? You know, a tag and a tote. Low in the 50s today? I'm trying to think. It has been. I'm going to take this down good. So I just added a piece of tape at the top and the bottom. And there's like tons of these blanks that you can put these designs on. But I'm going to do a tote bag and a tag. And tag is the key word if y'all want the supplies. I forgot to bring, I didn't bring I got like a little ironing board thing, but I'm just going to use a towel. I don't want to heat my desk up. thank you for sprinkling. I appreciate it. And look, these are going to be projects later on. These were actually going to be Christmas projects. Then I was like, okay, Christmas is gone. They're going to have to be Valentine's projects. And like I was telling y'all the other day, red, anything red from Christmas is perfect for Valentine's Day. And y'all, don't think I'm crazy. I'm just stacking this up to be like my ironing board. And look, I'm going to have to go back and read and see what y'all are saying about your cooking. Well, see, Debbie's having ham, mac and cheese, collards, black eyed peas, rice, stewed tomatoes, and cornbread. Girl, I'm going to come eat with you. Okay. So we've got our sublimation tag with our flour on here. I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to heat press it for 60 seconds at 360. And I'm just going to hold light pressure on here. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, good, Johnette, you ordered His Grace. The flowers are so pretty, and they look so, I haven't used them yet. They look so vibrant in the picture. So we're going to see if they look as vibrant as they do in the picture. Also, today and tomorrow, free shipping, everybody. I know some of y'all missed the $5 shipping earlier this month. But today and tomorrow, with a $50 purchase, it's free shipping. Well, any of the winter collection will be back in stock. They have not been reordering anything that's been out of stock. And y'all, this is hot. So, I'm going to let it cool before I lift it off of there. I'm just going to, I'm going to do this. I should have brought my oven mitts. I'm going to put it down here and let it cool. Any of this stuff that y'all are heat pressing, let it cool. Let it cool. Sheila says she's not cooking. Hey, I am all about that. Okay. Now we have these totes. The tags, I put a link for those, like if you type the word tags. But we have totes that are ready to go with for the sublimation. I'm gonna iron this one a little bit, I think. You don't have to, but it looks a little wrinkled. Oh, Johnette's having roast, mashed potatoes, black eyed peas, ham, and cornbread. And she said she needs something green. We always either have collards or cabbage. And I love both of those. And Barry's favorite is collards. Can y'all believe that? Okay. All right. And y'all remember I cut one flower off of this one. I'm going to save this and I'll use it on other stuff. So I'm going to use the whole design. And I think I'm going to put it like this. But I'm going to get me some tape to tape it down. Y'all, this is what I was afraid of. Oh, good. Let's heat it back up. I love hearing what y'all are eating. And look, I need to do my fingernails, but for this purpose, I'm glad that they're not doing. All right, I'm gonna get my bag straight. Hey Denise, hey Becky. Kind of the side. I'll put it like this, kind of in the middle of the bag. And I'm going to tape it down. Now this tape says that it doesn't leave any residue. So, there we go. I like that. Chicken and shrimp. Ooh, that sounds so good. Can y'all tell I'm hungry? Oh, Anita, I'm so sorry. Anita's not feeling well. Look, there's been a lot of sicknesses. Okay, so we've got this tape down. These are the heat transfers. And we've got several new ones. And we also have a kit, like a mouse pad kit. And this is my smaller I'm going to start over here. And you do 360 for 60 seconds. And those instructions are on the package. So, I'm just going to hold a little pressure. Sheila's family doesn't want a lot of food. And, oh, that's why she says she's not cooking. Hey, Mary. Hey, Daryl. There's Cindy. Anyway, oh, and another thing. So, I see what y'all are eating for New Year's Day. Are y'all doing any, maybe resolutions? That's what we used to call them. All right, now I'm going to lift this up and put it over here on this side. I just want to make sure that I got the whole section covered. So, you can use a regular iron. Just make sure it's not on steam. And I'd say cotton is probably around 360. I don't know. Hey, Tammy. Thank you for sprinkling. It's great to see you. And there's Jackie and Penny. But anyway, I'm kind of already looking forward to my black-eyed peas. And why don't I cook them more than once or twice a year? I don't know. Lou is not cooking. They're tired of cooking. Hey, Ruth. Hey, Nancy. You made several totes. I bet they loved it. Hey, Tracy. 5-4. Almost done. And look, if you are, if you've never tried these, try them. You get 2 to a package. Let's see if okay, let's go ahead and check our tag. Oh my gosh, y'all look at that. It went from this with nothing to this. Isn't that cute? And I'm going to probably just use a Sharpie on the other side to put my info. And it's awesome. And y'all, it's like perfectly flat. So pretty. All right, let's see how this did. Oh my gosh. Let me turn this heat press off. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look at that. It is so vibrant. So, let's see. It looks kind of faded out, but once you put the heat to it, isn't that so gorgeous? So, so pretty. And these are one-time use. Let's see if I can figure out how this. See, I know you got to put it through here. Isn't it beautiful? And look, I'm not giving Jeannie another tote right now, even though her birthday is January 4th. She's probably got enough totes. I'm gonna do this to the other side. Hopefully it'll hang. Oh, awesome! Nancy says she trimmed hers up and made 2 totes with 1 flower. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way. That's a great idea because that's a large print. And then, you know, these could go on your luggage, or as I'm going to put it on my tote. But isn't that cute? I mean, and you see how sweet it looks. Same flower up here too. I just love it. Let's see how it looks. Can y'all see it? I love it. It's so pretty. Hey, Barry. Y'all, this stuff amazes me. Like I said, if you hadn't tried it, try it. I think you'll like it. Nancy made several for Christmas for her sisters. Yes, it makes great gifts. Or if you're going to be traveling like I am, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take a smaller purse. I'll put it in here. I might put my snacks. I might put my water bottle, you know, whatever. And then truck on down the road. But if you want the supply list, just type the word tag, T-A-G. I'll send you a message. I also put a link for these luggage tags, and then the supplies we used tonight. I think you'll like it if you try it, and I see several of you guys have tried it. Renee got the mug press. Yes, I'm thinking about the other one, doing a mug. Then I can take my mug, my bag, and my tag. You know what we need to let our New Year's resolution, one of them be, or goals or whatever, is to get Barry back on the lives. I've been missing him. What about you guys? And I also put a link for the tape, in case y'all need it. It did not leave a residue. Sheila, we might, you never know, we might next year. Sheila says she wants one of these with a nativity on it. Also, Sue made the resin bookmarks. I love those too. All right, friends, y'all keep sharing out the video. Let me know if you have done this, but isn't that the cutest luggage tag? I feel all matchy-matchy. Thank you guys for watching. Connie, just type the word tag, T-A-G, and I'll send you the... Kathy, just type the word tag, and I'll send all the info. All right, friends. Love you guys. Have a great night, and I'll see y'all later. Bye now.